Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video, and this is a different kind of video, probably a shorter video, but just letting you guys know the F30 is sold. I'm looking to get into another car. Today is August 21st, I think, or 20th. I'm not sure, but sold the car like 5 days ago. Some of you guys may have already known because I did post a community thing on YouTube, so if you guys saw that, you know I sold the car. If not, then I've seen this video. So I did sell it. Kind of sad, but bigger and better things. Like I said, either F80 to M4 is coming next, or M340i or a 440i. So S55 or B58, I don't know. I did do some polls and stuff, and you guys like the cars. A lot of people like all of them, so it's up to me in the end what car I want, of course. And I was supposed to go pick one up today, but I'm still talking to some dealerships. It's hard for me to pick, so that's why I haven't even gotten one yet, because I have the money. I'm not going to buy it cash though. This time I'm actually going to finance it, because the F30 I did own cash. But keep y'all boys updated though. Car is sold. I'll show you guys a clip. I did make a clip the day I was selling it, like a last little walk around of the car. I'm recording on my phone, bro. So that's what it's looking like. Well, you guys know what it looks like. The trunk clip is still off, but I did give him the trunk clip though. It's in the trunk, as you can see there, PSM trunk clip. But I only took it off because it was falling off. The tape was getting loose, so I took it off to stick it on again. But you know, this guy came for the car before I could do that, so I'm giving him the trunk clip regardless, because the pictures I posted with the car had the trunk clip in it, so it's only fair if I gave him the trunk clip as well. But yeah, bro, that's the last time y'all gonna see the F30. It's the last time I'm gonna see it too. It sucks, but like I said, bigger and better things coming, bro. So I'll keep y'all boys updated. New car is coming, like I said. I could have already picked one up. I just don't want to rush into one too much. And still have a few little things with the F30 I want to post before I grab a new car. Hopefully the F30 is in the hands of a good owner. Guy seems chill, seems like a good person. Hopefully he takes care of the car. But I missed the car though, bro. I've been watching back some like little clips and all of that. Bro, that car was a beast. I know a lot of you guys are gonna miss it as well, but you know, bigger and better things. Time for an upgrade. Definitely a B58 next though, or S55. Like I said, F80 to M4, M340i or a 440i. Now enough of me talking, bro. I'm not sure how long this video is gonna be. It's gonna be a shorter video though, for sure. Different kind of video as well, just to inform you guys, you know. Well, let me know in the comment section, even of this video, if y'all boys think it's a good choice, like between those three cars. Not sure which one yet, bro. As I said, it's gonna come down to whatever I prefer, but I think it's gonna do good for my channel. It's definitely gonna be good, you know, stepping into a newer car, something with CarPlay and all of that, because I need that for my next car. But enough of me talking, bro.